Okay, here goes video 2 on leg lift.
Bugsy, now streaming on the Free Movies page, only on Zumo Play.
Thank God I'll miss them.
Yes, sir.
I'm a fighting man, Mr. McGrail. Fighting men need other fighting men to fight.
Now streaming on the Free Movies page, only on Zumo Play.
You think I'm a rat?
How many times I have you into my own house? If you're a rat, then I'm the biggest mud in the history of the mafia.
If I come out left, he dies.
Now streaming on the Free Movies page, only on Zumo Play.
I haven't hit Santa Bobo's face once. You hit yourself in the face twice. It's pretty good.
Are you done, Liz? I'm trying to clean up.
I'm done with food, yes. But Champagne and I decided to get to know each other better. Thank you, Champagne. I think you're fun and bubbly, too.
He's not your friend. He's trying to get you drunk so we can watch you have sex with strangers later. Now get it.
No!
Hey, what happened to Ed? He never showed up. Well, if my Christmas wish came true, he suddenly woke up at the NAACP headquarters and has to decorate for Kwanzaa with RuPaul.
Hey, everybody. I think we had a good time. We should make this an annual holiday tradition. So, thanks for coming. I'll see you later.
What are you talking about? We've only been here an hour.
Yeah, why are you trying to rush us out of here?
It's just every Christmas Eve, I sit by myself and open a bottle of scotch and watch It's a Wonderful Life. Always gets me at the end when Jimmy Stewart jumps off that bridge and kills himself. All right, out you go. Sorry, I'm late. I just stole the
100.
baby Jesus.